Hi, this is the Price Action Analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chainlink. LINK is the code. So I'm just using this as an example. This is something that's in our model portfolio. It's had a very good run. One leg, quite a deep retrace, and then another push up. And here it is retracing more substantially in terms of the depth of the, these down bars are bigger than they have been. But I'm just using it as an example of within the model portfolio when I give a exit recommendation. So when price pushed up here and made this wick here on this blue bar, so the price action looked like that, those red lines become an ideal exit zone for people if they want to take profits. So it's not, it's not a blanket rule, but if people are looking for a place to take profits, that would be my exit zone. And so you can see that price went in there and then has come back down. And that you'll tend to see that. So the thing that I'm looking for there is, as soon as that wick paints in, you want to give the exit recommendation, because you want, if price retraces a little bit or just pushes up like this zone is likely to hold. It becomes dangerous when you get a deep retrace and then price comes back in there. And generally, I would have removed the exit recommendation. But as soon as that wick paints in, I put the ideal exit zone. And then as price pushed up there, if you'd have exited there, you would be down here. And so these green lines now, because price has been so strong, and it's making wicks here, these green lines are now an ideal zone for what I'm calling the re-enter recommendation. So if you took profits here and it was 0.155, sorry, 0.00155, you're hopefully getting back in somewhere about 1.3. And price is probably going to retrace here a little bit, but these wicks, there's a good chance they'll hold, or there'll be a very shallow wash of this wick here, because you have air and support. So I don't believe that this retrace is going to be deep. So that's now a re-enter ideal entry zone. And so that is, I wanted to make a video on that, because that's a textbook example of the sort of exits that subscribers will get. This is not really designed to be a short-term trading, a short-term trading sort of coaching service, and short-term is, a lot of people are looking to just sell when it gets to the next level of resistance or that. But what I'm really interested in doing is, I had this coin down here, and I've ridden this entire move. I still have the coin, but people that are holding these coins in the long term, this is giving them an opportunity to just increase their returns just a bit more, because again, you're getting out at 1.5 and you're getting the opportunity to get in at 1.3 roughly. So it's just, this is a good example of the type of exits I get, and then how I work the re-entry recommendation, and the type of time frame that you would need to have on a coin that's run like this to take advantage of that, or where you're going to expect to see those exit recommendations. Like you're not going to see them very often. You didn't see one here, you didn't see one here. This is the first exit recommendation. And so Chainlink, after this breakout, has made 2 legs up, and this has been a very long leg up, and then it's made that first substantial series of wicks, and that's where the first exit recommendation is. And again, because this leg's been so strong, I expect this retrace to be shallow. So as soon as it's started to print in these wicks, I've given the re-enter recommendation. So I am expecting, you know, maybe a retrace here and a wash, and then another push up. And that push up should at least test these highs or close to it. Anyways, I'll just leave that there as an example of the kind of exit recommendations I'm giving and how I work those within the context of the price movement. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.